Welcome all my dear friends to our pharmacy channel. In this GPAT 2021 informative session, today we are going to discuss about the pharmacology part 3 memory based questions. These questions are not the official answers from the National Testing Agency. These are prepared from the students memory basis only. So in previous two videos 10 plus 10 20 questions have been explained with the answer. Okay, now the remaining questions from pharmacology, it has been released here. Okay, these are the memory based questions only, not the NT answers. Question number 21, CCB in angina, the drug is Verapamil. CCB in angina, the drug is Verapamil. Question number 22, Nevirapine, that is the non-competitive inhibition of enzyme reverse transcriptase. I repeat the question once again. Question number 22, Nevirapine, it is the non-competitive inhibition of enzyme reverse transcriptase. Question number 23, split of cardiac cycle, Vs 0.3 seconds, As 0.1 second, Ad 0.7 second and Vd 0.5 second. Question number 24, not a bronchodilator, the drug, but still it has been used as most effective drug in asthma. It is not absorbed orally. What is the drug? The drug name is sodium chromoglycate. I repeat the question once again. Not a bronchodilator drug, but still used as most effective drug in asthma. It is not absorbed orally. The drug is sodium chromoglycate. Question number 25, large scale randomization uncontrolled or unblinded trial are carried out approximately 300 to 1000 patients. Extended clinical evaluation. This is called as phase 3 clinical trials. I repeat the question once again. Large scale randomization uncontrolled unblinded trial are carried out approximately 300 to 1000 patients. Extended clinical evaluation. In this condition, the clinical trial is called as phase 3 clinical trial. Then question number 26, non-epithelial malignancy tumor is fibrosarcoma. Question number 26, non-epithelial malignancy tumor is fibrosarcoma. Question number 27, beta 1 and beta 2 subunit agonist increases the conduction velocity, increase the automaticity, beta 2 vasodilatation and bronchodilation. Question number 27, beta 1, beta 2 subunit agonist. The actions increases the conduction velocity, increases the automaticity, beta 2 vasodilatation, bronchodilation. Then last question from pharmacology. Question number 28, propyl thiouracil. Conversion of T4 to T3 inhibition is associated with, the answer is propyl thiouracil. I repeat the question once again. Conversion of T4 to T3 inhibition is associated with propyl thiouracil. These are the pharmacology part 3 memory based questions in our channel. We are wishing all the pharmacy graduates and all the friends, dear viewers, for your successful GPAT qualified in this academic year 2021. GPAT 2021. All the best wishes. Thank you. வாழ்க வளமுடன், வாழ்க வையகம். நன்றி.